Hi guys, welcome to my channel Muhammed Adil S. And today I'm showing you how to download to Instagram, WhatsApp or Facebook in your Android phone. Let's go.
Go to Play Store. For dual, it means we'll get two, like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram. We will get two, means dual. It means like two means we can use in one mobile two WhatsApp or two Instagram. That means the multiple account, the parallel app. It's opened. See, it means it will show like this. Yeah, we can select all which we need doubled. Cloning means setting. I'm going back. This is not a, we will think it's not a folder or like this. This is the app contain the pictures like that only. See, we will click the WhatsApp button. Second WhatsApp. We can agree second WhatsApp also. Agree and continue. Yeah, we can choose our country and we can get number. See, connecting. See, we'll get the.
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, comment and like to my video. Bye bye. See you next video.